Hey, what's up everybody? There was a while ago that I made a video, and now I have some time to do more videos. Yes, two defibrillator capacitors, MOT. We're going to do a quality test on a cheap multimeter. Look at that. Isn't that an awesome multimeter? It doesn't got any CE marking, and it has not any categorization. No, it's not Cat 1, not 2, not 3, not 5, nothing. No safety ratings, safety standards on that multimeter. So I'm gonna dump some current into it and see what happens. Nearly 3000 volts. Now I'm gonna plug the transformer in. Now I'll go to the other side. Then I'll go to my chicken stick and I'm gonna poke it. That was interesting. And now I'm gonna try it again. The meter was actually flying to the floor, and it was ripped apart. But I put it back together again now, and it actually threw its batteries out, so I didn't put them back in there, because it was in a pretty bad shape. But I'm going to pop it again, put some more voltage into it, see what happens. Turning on the transformer. I think it's charged. Take the chicken stick and poke it. Nothing happened. Interesting. So I'm just gonna unplug it. Why doesn't anything happen? Let's see if it did make any charge. Yes, it was voltage there. I think the wires had failed. Yeah, the probe wires were badly damaged. So I just soldered these two wires directly on the battery terminals. So let's see if it pops this time. I'm not sure, but I want it to go pop. I'm gonna plug it in. Nice transformer hum. And now I'm gonna poke it once again. Poke it on Facebook. Kaboom! And I'm gonna poke it one more time. I think it hit the camera. And once. That was a bit too early. One more. Looks interesting. I'm gonna poke it up here. Nothing happens. Yes, nothing happens there. I don't want to risk anything. Now I'm gonna turn it off. Unplug it. Like that. And poke it on the front. No, nothing happens. let's have a look on the carnage. My ballast resistor is pretty warm, so I need to have some insulation around that. So here's the carnage. Got the back plate here. And the front, you can see that there's some blackening there. The rotary switch, which is not a switch anymore. And I wonder where the display is. The actual display. Yes, I don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. It's under here. Look at that. The display actually totally separated itself. The wire. Oh no, it's not a wire, it's one of these soft contact things that goes up here. Yes, there are not so much safety on this circuit board. Just a MOV. I'm surprised that it even got one. And yes, the MOV actually took some power. And this switch, which is not a switch anymore, it's just like a, don't know what to call it. The chips looks pretty intact, just that it got a little hole in it, where the magic smoke escaped. But yeah, not so much else done to it. It actually blow itself apart. So yes, this is a pretty good thing. Just the bad thing is that the ballast resistor gets very hot. But yes, that was good. Thanks for watching. It will be more to come, and more things to go pop.